Hi guys, I'm gonna be reacting to Thomas the Tank Engine and the Untold Story by Corey X Genshin, and hi, the Ultimate Gamer here. And let's begin this video. If it's too loud, tell me. I'll turn it down.
There's Sagittarius?
And put it down like this.
Let's get it. No, you ain't scaring me this time, second. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hate you, man. Why you put that there, man? Swear up. I'm fighting you right now.
Yo, that was the nastiest freaking trap. What's good?
Jump scares nasty.
You ready to wrap up these outros or what?
Yeah, let me just...
Hello? Are you good?
Why are you checking your credit score?
Corey.
Yeah. Hold up. I'll talk to you later, man.
Let me check my score too.
Try credit card.
Looks like someone was feeling festive. And freaking jack-o'-lantern cake, alright? Someone's at the door there. Hold up, it might be that cute girl that delivers my packages. And if I catch me slipping. Ooh. Corey, you the man. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's do this. That's weird. Nobody's here. What is this? Thomas and Friends? This is a Thomas the Tank Engine toy?
That's weird.
Alright, thanks. Got a package there. But first, oh yeah, my stomach has been doing the rumblies. Come here, baby. Ooh, how you been doing, girl?
Oh my god, that looks wrong. Savage.
What? It was just here on the table. I know I put it over there. I must be tripping now. I know for a fact that I put you on the table. Nah, I'm tripping. Come on. I put it in the chair. That's why I put it before, alright? Let me find something.
Okay, this is getting weird. Oh crap.
Can I find some food in this? Ooh. I forgot I got this popcorn. Good old Jiffy Pop. Now, how do you open it like this? Ah, yeah. Best results, follow directions, yada, yada, yada.
Ooh.
Look, girl, I won't tell nobody if you don't tell nobody. You know I can't pass you up with that big booty. Come on, girl. Why should you go out with me? Why should you go out with me? Girl, I got 950,000 subscribers. Hold up, how did I get in here? Freaking cool.
That's hilarious.
We're ending this now. Where did this come from? Foul. Yeah, this box is looking mighty foul right now in my hand. Now, I know this is a freaking dumb idea. Isn't that right, Sam? This is freaking stupid, but where? Why? The freak?
Oh snap.
Why is everything just going crazy, man? I need to get rid of this toy, right? No. It was just here. Where did it go in?
Here, Sammy Sam. Yeah, that's it. Trace over here, boy, just a little further.
Who's that? Sam!
Oh my god, that is creepy. It's right behind them. I bet it's right behind them.
Why me? Why did I get it? It's not making sense, man.
Oh, I guess they're right.
Music. That music.
Oh crap. Is that a good idea, really?
I literally have nothing in here to defend myself. Swedish Fish Oreos. Oh yeah, that's right. This pocket knife. That's all I got. Already. Now, come on, Thomas. You know where I am. Yeah, that's it. Wait!
Boy, that's the.
Because my name is Gary Cajun. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Everybody clap that up. That was amazing. That was amazing reaction. But I'll see you guys from here. And yeah.